Let me show you the steps you can follow every day. First, learn 10 new words every day. Choose simple words you see in daily life like eat, go, school, water, and friend. Say each word out loud 5 times. This helps your brain and mouth remember the word. Second, do shadow practice for 10 minutes. Go to YouTube and search for English shadowing practice for beginners. Listen to the speaker and copy the voice. Don't pause. Don't read slowly, just copy the sound. This trains your mouth to speak English naturally. Third, practice speaking simple sentences about your life. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I like learning English. Here are sample videos you can watch to help you with shadow practice and listening.
Hello, how much are these apples?
Hello, they are $3 per kilogram.
Okay, I'll take 2 kilograms.
Fourth, watch English videos with subtitles. You can watch cartoons, short stories, or beginner lessons. This helps you understand how English is used in real conversations. Here are sample videos you can watch.
Anne is a kind little girl. She lives in a small house with her mother and father. Every morning, Anna wakes up early. She helps her mother clean the house. She also feeds their...
Fifth, learn basic grammar slowly. Start with present tense like I eat and past tense like I ate. Don't study difficult grammar yet. Focus on speaking first. Here are sample videos you can watch.
I wake up 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I didn't eat breakfast.
I didn't eat breakfast.
And most important, practice every day for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Consistency is the key to learning English. Finally, try to think in English. Instead of thinking in your language, try to form simple English sentences in your mind. Remember, you don't learn English by reading only. You learn English by listening and speaking every single day.